Alright, hi guys and welcome back to the Midlifers channel. So today we're in my living room studio, which is a pretty nice setup over here. So today we're going to tell you why you don't really need the latest camera or the latest lens. You just need more lights. And if your images don't look nice like this, it's probably not the camera or the lens, probably you.
Indeed.
Yeah.
You suck, man.
So we're going to show you how you should invest your money in lights and how actually lighting and the concept of lighting will actually make your photos and videos look so much better than buying a new lens.
Yeah, it's a light that matters.
Yep. So we borrowed some pretty expensive lights. So I'm so excited to just try them out and show you how we got this look going on here. So we're going to show you this lighting setup that we have done before we actually show you what lights we actually use and how we position them. So this is basically a nice sunset scene. You can see the sun is streaming in from the window over there. We got some pretty nice separation from the background. We have a lot of details going on in the background. We have Uncle Chong here with his bad hairdo, that's why he's wearing a cap. And we've got some hard light hitting my face and body, and also some soft light hitting the face. So this is how you make it cinematic, okay? If you want something cinematic, it's all in the lights, it's all in the budget, it's all in the crew. It's not your stupid Nikon ZR, okay? Yeah. That camera is not gonna make your images cinematic. So let's turn off all the lights, then we'll show you one by one how we got this look.
Bam! Wow.
Okay. So
I can't even see myself right now.
It's night time now.
I mean, it's technically 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so with any kind of sunset look, I think you should start with the sunset. So outside we got the 700X. So this is a 700 watt storm light from Aperture, and this is basically just bare bulb. It's just sitting outside my door, my window, and we just aimed it straight in at us. So you can see from the get-go we have a very nice kind of warm sunset kind of look. So the next light to make this scene a little bit more interesting, we just added in a projector at the back. So this gives you that fake window, so you can see without and with. So without, the background looks so flat, right? And then with, it makes it so much more interesting.
There's like stuff.
Yeah. So you don't actually want like a patch of light. You want it to be like light, dark, light, dark, like that. So you just give it more depth. So you can see that this light and dark everywhere on the scene actually gives it a lot more depth because video is a 2D kind of thing. So you always want to give the illusion that there's more depth than really it is. And we are also shooting at an angle toward the corner. Yeah, so that's giving us the depth. But you can see that the background is pretty flat. It's pretty dark at that side. So we also need some sort of rim light, backlight. So we're gonna just turn on this small little storm. So this is just giving us a little bit of feel at that corner here, so it looks more interesting. And it's giving us some backlight from the back. And you can see the difference with and without. So without, you can see the background becomes flat.
Gone.
Yep, so once you turn it on, you get a little bit more light and dark in the background, so that gives you more separation and more depth in the background.
Just need a little tiny bit.
Yeah. And you can see that with this exposure, my hair is like totally gone, it's totally black. So we added in another light. So this is sort of the fill light. So this is giving us slightly more level on our face. This is a softened light. We are using a light dome on this, and it's just going past us. It's not hitting the background. We have controlled it a lot with a grid, so there's only coming here. It's not polluting the background. So when you light anything, you just really want a lot of control. So all the lights that we have set up have very high levels of control. So we can dial in the CCT and the brightness very easily. So interestingly now, right, there's this app called Sidus Link. So Sidus Link for iPad, Sidus Link Pro, now has a free version for Bluetooth control. Previously you had to pay for even controlling Bluetooth. So now you can use it for free. And yeah, you can use the professional level kind of app for free.
Time to buy Aperture lights and download Sidus Link.
Yep. So I guess this is the scene now. Looks pretty nice. We're going to show you the actual lights that we use and how we aim the lights. But first, this is a little bonus. So after all the lights are set up, we play around and we can actually turn day into night by pressing one button.
Wow.
Yep. And you can see now we are, I don't know, having moonlight.
I don't know, and that look like a podcast at night.
Yeah.
heart-to-heart talk. No?
Yeah.
Heart-to-heart.
So you can change the mood pretty easily without even changing the position of the lights, because we've set up the lights to light the room. So once you change the color temperature, change the levels, we can go from a sunlight kind of vibe to this kind of moonlit vibe. Yep, so it's pretty easy. Let's show you what went around here, and maybe you can set up these kind of things to make your shots more cinematic for yourself. Okay, so I'm operating the cam, I'm behind the cam, so Uncle Chong is going to introduce what we are using as the first light, this sort of kind of key light here.
Yeah, so the key light, we have the Storm 400X. It's a 400 watt light, okay? Outputs maximum at 400 watts. We're having it on the light stand, okay? Powered by AC power. Okay, we installed a dome on it with a grid and a diffuser, as you can see from here.
So this is the new aperture dome. This is the Quick Dome 60. I'm going to do a new video on this because this is a new product, but actually it's not really new. It's the same as the Light Dome 3 Mini. Alright, so this is our second light. This is the fake sun.
Okay, so here is the 700 watt X. It's a 700 watt light, okay? This is our sun. Yeah, this one takes a lot of power, 700 watts. So,
yeah, so this one can't be powered by battery. We are powering it via AC.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is very good for putting outside the window to punch in, because you need this kind of power minimum to punch through the glass. Okay, so this is the projector light that is used to project the window pattern at the back. This projector comes with the gobos. It's with a 36-degree lens so that we get it as wide as possible, and we get that look at the back over there. Okay, so this is the final light that we're using. So this is another Storm ATC with this little ball attachment. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like a tiny light bulb. It's a rounded diffuser. So you can see it gives you quite an interesting kind of quality of light.
It's actually soft. It will diffuse the light. So it's a ball light.
Alright, so you've seen the setup over here. So Uncle Chong, do you have any insight into photography now after seeing all this?
Yeah, I mean, I know that lights actually play a part in making or breaking a photo or video, but didn't expect it to be like that much of a difference. But yeah, obviously after today's video, I hope that everybody can actually see like what difference it can make by using like lights because really lights can really change the whole atmosphere, the ambience, right? It will really like improve drastically just one photo. Like even it's just a speed light, flashlight on your camera, it really can just elevate your whole photo experience So do invest in lights. Don't just invest just in your gear, your camera body, your lenses. All these are secondary, I think.
Because at the end of the day, right, what is a photo? The photo is the scene in front of your camera. Your camera is basically just a dumb thing to just capture the image. People have been using film for decades. They've been getting banging photos. And if you can't get better photos on your digital camera, right, they're so much better than what they've been using in the past. The problem lies not with the camera.
It lies with you. So you need to like check with yourself and see what you're doing wrong. Not trying to scold you, but you know, don't blame the gear, okay? You gotta sometimes do some self-reflection and
if I can do this at home, everyone can.
Yeah, I mean, save up. If you don't have the money, just save up. Okay?
You don't need to buy the most expensive lights, you just need lights.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll see you in the next episode where I actually review the lights and see how boring that gets.
Alright.
Okay, so this episode was proudly supported by Aperture. They lend us some things, but actually most of it is mine, so I actually paid money for this.
Oh man, hey Aperture, sponsor lah. Big supporter.
Yeah.
Okay lah, can lah. Thank you, Vivian.
Bye.
Bye.